Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Beast of Reincarnation game not working, not launching, not opening, crashing or crashes as a startup, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem or stuck on black screen problem on PS5 consoles. So without wasting time, let's follow the fixes. First fix is to restart your PS5. So press and hold power button on the console and select power off. Unplug all the wires, wait for a few seconds and then press power button again. It will remove any remaining power and will clear your system cache. Now plug in all the wires and turn on your PS5 and then launch the game and check. Fix 2 is to restore license. On your PS5, go to settings, click on users and accounts, scroll down and go to other and go to restore license. Select Beast of Reincarnation game and then select restore. Select yes to confirm. After this, launch the game and check. Fix 3 is to switch internet connection. First of all, use Ethernet cable to access internet on your PS5 and then check. If you are connected to Wi-Fi, then connect to mobile data via hotspot and then check. If possible, then you can also connect to other Wi-Fi network and check. Or you can also restart your modem or Wi-Fi router and then check. Fix 4 is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. So go to PS5 settings, network, go to settings, set up internet connection. Press the options button. In Wi-Fi frequency, switch to either 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and see which one works for you. Fix 5 is to rebuild database on PS5. So power off your PS5 but don't unplug it from the wall socket. Press and hold power button on your console until you hear 2 beep sound. Then release the button. Your console will boot into the safe mode. Now connect your controller to your console with the use of USB cable and then press PS button. Use the D-pad to scroll down and select clear cache and rebuild database. Next select rebuild database OK. Now launch Beast of Reincarnation game and check if the problem is solved or not. Fix 6 is to delete game data and cache. Now please take a note, you must back up this save data to prevent unexpected game progress loss. Now go to settings, save data and game/app settings. Select save data PS5 and then navigate to console storage, delete. Choose Beast of Reincarnation and then select delete OK. Now restart your console and then try to launch the game and check. Fix 7 is to log out and log in. So log out from your PlayStation Network account, go to settings, users and accounts, other sign out, wait for a few minutes and then log in back and then launch the game and check. Fix 8 is to change DNS settings manually. So go to PlayStation settings, network settings, set up internet connections. On your internet, press start, advanced settings, DNS settings. Now change the DNS settings from automatic to manual. And in the primary DNS enter 8.8.8.8 and in secondary DNS enter 8.8.4.4 and then hit on OK and then relaunch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1, then hit on OK and then relaunch the game again and check if your problem is solved or not. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to reinstall or transfer the game to SSD. So if you're using a SSD in the expansion slot on your PS5, then reinstall or transfer the Beast of Reincarnation game to SSD and then try to launch the game and see if that helps or not. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve Beast of Reincarnation game not working, not opening, not launching or won't launch issue, crashing or crashes at a startup, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on PS5 consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.